The remarkable, undeserved grace of God that brings salvation has appeared to all men.
So, the remarkable grace of God has appeared to all men. In other words, we have all been saved. We realize our sin and we've come to God.
Teaches us to reject ungodliness.
Does what? Say that louder. But the Bible says that the veil is torn. If you may be able to hear, but you won't see. Now, what God did through Jesus was to tear that veil, not even move it aside. He tore that veil so that that veil no longer is able to be hung up again. And so we have access to God through Jesus. Whatever hurts that we've experienced, and there's not even half of it. But that is insignificant because I know who I am. I know whose I am.